Hi, got another unboxing video, and this time it is bettybox. Now this is how it arrived. It looks a bit rough. It's a little bit ripped in the corners there and it just wants to pop open. It doesn't normally arrive like this. Never mind. So bettybox is a teen monthly beauty subscription period box. So if you've seen any of my videos before or you know all about bettybox, I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to just click forward to get straight to what's inside this box. But if not and you want to stick around to hear a little bit more about it, then you're welcome to carry on watching. It is a monthly box. You can cancel any time. It costs £12.99 within the UK. They do have another box which is called Pink Parcel, and that's more aimed at ladies. This is more teens. So on their website you get to choose what sanitary protection you want. You can choose tampons, you can choose pads, or you can choose a mix. You also get to choose the brands as well, which is really good. And you also get to choose the date where you'd like your box to be sent out. So it coincides with your period and that can be changed anytime. I do have a refer a friend code which I'll link down below, so click on the show more, that'll bring the description, and all links to this subscription will be down there. So inside you get all your sanitary protection for the month, which I'll show you, and you also get a box, and it's a treat box, and inside there you always get 5 beauty items, 1 sweet treat which is usually a chocolate, or we've had popcorn, and then you get a drink, so it's either coffee or tea or chocolate or something like that. So yeah, so you get 7 treat items, which is great, and which is why my daughter absolutely loves it. Let's open it up and show you what's inside. See, the box is falling apart. Oh my word. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Right, it's the Halloween edition. Inside you get a Betty collective. It's a little leaflet and or a little pamphlet, and it's got some, for instance, it's got Halloween movies to get you in the spooky spirit. So it's like a little mini magazine type thing, but it's also got all the products in the beauty side of things. So I'll be referring to that as we go along. But that's what the inside looks like there. So quite nice and bright and funky. A little bit different than the Pink Parcel. So the first little thing is a pouch. Now we always get a pouch in our boxes, and in here is a mix of, because we've opted for towels, so it's a mix of panty liners and pads. So you've got those there. Then you've got a 4-litre box which contains extra pads. Got them all in there. Then you've got a 4-night box which contains larger pads, so there's about 5 larger pads in there. So the exciting part is the treat box. So this is the For You box. So inside you've got all the beauty treats and the sweet treats and the cup of tea, or there's usually a tea bag of some sorts in there. So let's open it up, make sure nothing falls out. So there, I'll give you a quick look first and pop it down to the side of me. So it says here in the little leaflet, welcome to your Betty Bewitched Betty box. This month's Betty box is worth over £35, contains a spell-blinding collection of beauty must-haves and a spooky treats to get you feeling totally magical in time for Halloween. Whether you're channeling a scary witch, a freaky elf, or a mystical unicorn for October 31st, it's time to get creative, girls. Happy trick-or-treating. Right, okay. So the first item, and it's our drink, and this is fudge, drinking fudge, and it's Mocha Choca Madness. That's what that looks like there. Normally we get like a tea bag, and we have had like chai latte tea as well. So no, this is the first time we've had a chocolate fudge, well, drinking fudge then. Oh, my daughter's gonna love that. Right, let's just say here, because normally she gives me the tea bags because she doesn't drink tea. So this is part of a set of 6, and to buy 6 of them would cost you £10. And this is by the Fudge Kitchen, dairy-free drinking fudge Mocha Choca Madness. It says enjoy the choca mocha goodness mixed into hot milk and topped with mini marshmallows, whipped cream and sprinkles, or whiz it up in a blender with some ice and soy milk to create a delicious dairy-free milkshake. Second item is our treat. It looks like Katy Perry. What's it called? Choc Stars. Oh, it might well be. It's a little chocolate bar there, but it's a cat with a wig on. But it just reminds me of Katy Perry for some reason. So this is a 12.5 gram dark chocolate. Oh, I'll have this one. She doesn't like dark chocolate, so it is. It's a Kitty Purry. Katy Perry is one of our fave celebs to look for style inspo, and we're obsessed with squimmy dark chocolate bar featuring a cute kitty purry. This is one treat that you definitely won't want to give away when the trick-or-treaters come knocking at your door. So this is a 12.5, so it's a sample. For 100 gram it'll cost you £2.75. So next we've got 2 of these, the bandies. Now we've had these in beauty boxes before and I'm not that keen on them. but I know my daughter loves them, and they're quite nice actually. I'll just open one so that you can see properly. So that's what that looks like there. So they're quite nice, aren't they? Nice and stretchy. I like this one down here. So yeah, so there's 2 of them. Brandy's Bewitched, and it says, we are your Halloween hair girls. Use these soft, snag-free hair bands to secure braids, space buns, Ariana ponies, and more. The magical set features silver, cosmic blue, purple, and starry styles to take your look to a whole other planet. So it's cost £6.95 for a pack of 4. It doesn't mention that we're getting 2, so maybe that was a mistake. I don't know. If any of you get a Betty box, please let me know if you've got 2 of these in your box as well. But yeah, it doesn't indicate anything that I should be getting 2. No. Then we got more sweets. Normally we only have 1 sweet treat and 1 like drink, but no, this is the second treat. So this is Candy Kittens Blueberry Bliss Gourmet Sweets, and this is 24-gram little pouch there. So these are gluten-free, natural colours, fruit juice, and vegan. What's it say? Yeah, these are gorgeous. We've had Candy Kittens a few times in our subscription boxes. Absolutely gorgeous. I know my daughter's going to love that. This is just a try me bag, so a little sample. For a 130-gram bag, it will cost you £3. Trick or treat. We knew that you'd say treat, so we've thrown in an extra one for you to enjoy this month. Okay, that's why we got 2 sweet treats. These gourmet gummy sweets are vegan and made with natural flavours, colours, and real fruit juices. So no, she's going to be chuffed for that. Next item, it's a cream of some sorts. What's this? It's a body cleanser. What's in it for me? Aloe vera, witch hazel, and grapefruit extract to cleanse, along with peppermint and rosemary oil to invigorate the skin and body. Oh, that sounds nice. So this is 50ml. So a nice big tube there. Is it got a, oh, it hasn't got a seal thing on. Yes, it has. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my word. Oh, I love that. That is so nice. I know she's gonna love that. She won't let me have it. It just smells super fruity and fresh. Oh, that's really nice. So this is either sample or a deluxe mini maybe. For a 250ml size, it will cost you £6. So it says, apply directly to a flannel or sponge and rub gently over damp skin in the shower. The sparkly combination of grapefruit, peppermint and rosemary will brighten up your mornings. We know that getting up for school when it's still dark outside can be tough. And she's going to love that. That is really nice. So the next item, and we've had one of these before as well. I have anyway, I don't think she has. So this is a Jelly Pom Pom Bare Necessities Highlighting Pencil. So that's what that looks like there. I'll just take it off so I can show you properly. Whoop. As you can see there, let's have a little bit of a swatch. It's not shimmery, it's quite matte. It's yeah, I don't want to use it too much because it is my daughter's, but she does allow me to unbox. There, I'm not sure if you'd be able to see, it's just there. So quite subtle. It doesn't look, oh, there is a little bit of like an iridescent sort of look to it, I suppose, but not super highlighty, so it might be quite nice maybe underneath the eyebrows and just a little bit of inner corner maybe, I'm not too sure. So no, I know she'll like that. So this is a full-size item and recommended retail price is £15. Use it on eyelids before applying eyeshadow to create a smooth base and help your makeup last longer, or for an eye-opening illuminating effect, glide the pencil along the inner waterline. So no, so that's that item. And our last one is a regular in the beauty boxes. Now I've got loads of them, and my daughter's got a few now as well. I think she's had a few in Betty box, and I've had a few in pink parcel as well. They are brilliant. It is Magitone and it's Wipe Out, the amazing microfiber cleansing cloth. They are great, but getting them repeatedly in boxes is not very exciting, is it? It'd be nice, a little bit different, but they are lovely. They're washable, they're reusable, so we do still have loads. It is lovely, really nice. So yeah, I wonder what she'll say to another one. But what's it say here? This is part of a set of 2, and to buy the 2 it costs you £14.99. And it says this magical microfiber removes makeup with just water. It's perfect for taking off your Halloween face paint, plus it can add cleaning superpowers to your favourite face wash too. So those are all the items. I'll just gather them all up. So we've got 2 sweet treats and a drink, And then for the beauty items, we have got the Bandies bands, the highlighter, the body cleanser, and we've got the facial cloth there. We have got 5 beauty items, but 2 are exactly the same. That is a shame. It would be lovely if there was a different item in the box. I'd love to know if any of you do get this box. Please let me know if you got exactly the same as well, or unless you got an extra. Well, it doesn't say anything in there. I don't know. It's just a bit bizarre. You would have thought they just add something else, something a bit different, or mention that there is 2 in this month's box. I don't know. So we got 8 items. So we've got 1 extra item than normal, which is the sweet treat, because we only usually just get 1. So we've got 2. So yeah, overall, it's a nice box. My daughter's going to like it. They're all items that we've seen lots and lots of times in subscription boxes. Sweets are fine. You don't mind about sweets, but sometimes the products themselves, the beauty products, can become a bit repetitive, which just takes away the bit of excitement of trying new items, you know. But it's fine. It's not for me, it's for my daughter, and I know she's going to love this fudge and I'll love this chocolate. So yeah, so that was the item. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.